All right, do-it-yourself dad back at it again. So this morning, as part of my work attire, I have to wear, button-down shirt and a tie. And those of you who, want to be on a budget with ties, you know that sometimes that you can kind of get innovative with some of those ties. And this morning, we're going to talk about how to take a full tie, as you can see right here, full tie. We're going to turn it into a bow tie this morning. So if you want to take a look, we're going to come on down and look at how we make a full tie into a bow tie today. So first you're going to take your tie, you're going to flip it over and get to the back side of your tie. You're going to take your pointed end at the bottom of it, and you're going to fold it over. What we're going to do is we're going to fold the sides in, and we're going to tuck it in. Tuck it into your little back sleeves there. Just enough to, in this case I have two, but I'm just enough to get it right on the inside of those two. You kind of want to keep in mind the size of the bow tie. In this case, I'm gonna pull it in just a little bit, and then we're gonna take this back side and we're gonna fold it over. Now this is gonna be the width of that bow tie. So in this case, I want to bring it in a little tight, because I don't want a really, really big one. I want that, I want it to be kind of right in there, if you will. So fold it over, and that's going to be the back side of the one half. And then come over here, and as you can see, we'll take the tie, and we're going to fold it over to the other side. So now we have the two layers of the bow tie, and then we're going to bring it right in the middle, and you can see that little seam, little stitch line. We're going to fold it right at that stitch line, just like that. And as we do that, we're going to take our tie and we're going to wrap it around the front of the tie. And right where our finger is, we're going to take the tie and tuck it through right into the other side, and just pull it in all the way through. Now, for this part, this is the part that's going to go around your neck. So we're going to take it again and bring it through. I like to go through the bottom side, so as you can see, I flip right through there. And now that back side that we started with, we're going to pull it tight to make our bow tie. So you just want to pull it, give it a little snug. I kind of like to line mine up a little bit. Just like that, and there you are. Kind of tighten it just a little bit. There you are. There's your bow tie. Have a good day, everybody. Do it yourself, Dad. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.